Good afternoon, happy Saturday. Well, Saturday that this is being filmed, obviously you're watching it on a Friday. This is something a little bit different. We don't normally do stuff on the weekends, but today Nick and I have the privilege of being invited to an event at BMW Auto Classic in Burswood. It's their M Owners Day, and so we thought we'd take the opportunity to take the M3, Nick's M3 and my E36, which you guys won't have seen before, but this is a car that's very special to me. I've had it for almost 5 years now. It's my absolute pride and joy. I love it to bits, so it's really special to be able to take it to an event like today. This is one of the first official BMW kind of events that's been held by the dealership itself. And basically Auto Classic just wanted to get a whole bunch of BMW owners together just to have a cool meet and greet, have a look at each other's cars, have a look at some new models, have some drinks and food, and it's been an absolutely fantastic time. There's been some really cool cars that we've had the opportunity to look at. Several brand new models, which are really cool. It's awesome to see. There's some absolutely fantastic paint colours that Auto Classic has got on display here today. One in particular that was a favourite of Nick and myself was I think it was called like Sport Yellow or something like that. Really cool name. G80 M3. Which was really cool. It's not a colour that we've ever seen in person before. A couple of violets, a couple of reds. The awesome red that the new G87 M2 comes in looks really striking out in the sun as well. Some of the cool brand new models that they were showcasing include the new XM, which is a huge kind of super sports SUV. It has a twin turbo V8 and it's electric. It's the most powerful production BMW ever made, and that was really cool to see in person. They were also showcasing the new i5 M60, which is their most powerful version of the new electric 5 Series, which was really cool to see in person. And then it was also really cool to see other people's cars, so cars that owners have brought to showcase and be part of the event. It was really cool to see all of the different stuff that people have and different modifications and builds that people have done. That's always really cool to see. Great to see some of our customers in person again as well, and having their cars showcased as well. They looked absolutely fantastic. There was a small competition for best presented car, which Nick and I were really hoping that either of us would have been in the running for. Nick's M3 is the only one of only 3, I believe, that has the carbon ceramic brake package, and obviously the Isleman green exterior colour paired with the orange interior and the manual transmission is a super rare combination. And Nick's done heaps of really tasteful mods as well, like how he's lowered it and things like that. And obviously the PPF keeps it looking top quality, so we were kind of hoping that one would be in the running, and then we were also kind of hoping that mine would be in the running, because for some reason it was the only classic that was there. There was nothing older than 2007, 2008. The next oldest car was a 1M, which was amazing to see in person. But yeah, nothing older than that. So I felt so special for for my car to be getting so much attention, which was really, really cool. Alas, neither of us would win the best presented car. It instead went to the guys at G-Spec for their M2 competition race car that they've built. I'm actually quite close with the guys at G-Spec, so I know them well. This is an absolutely awesome car. I've had the privilege of having a ride in it and everything, and it's, yeah, that's a fantastic car. A great win for those guys, well done. But yeah, this video has been something a little bit different today. We're also currently working on our next really big project, which is taking up a lot of time during the working weeks in the showroom. So we're really excited to show you that. I'll give you a small clue. The four-wheel drive community will be especially keen for this one. So very excited to show you guys that. So I hope you enjoyed something a little bit different today. We'll see you next week. And yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.